Welcome back to Data-Driven Decisions, the podcast where we explore the latest tools and strategies for empowering your business with data. I'm your host, Analir Pisani from AZ Solutions, and today we're diving into a platform that's reshaping the way we analyze, visualize, and interact with data, and that's Power BI. It is more than just a tool in your Excel toolkit. It's a powerful data visualization platform that's designed to help decision makers transform complex data into meaningful insights. In today's episode, we'll explore what Power BI is, who should use it, and the key benefits that make it an essential tool for modern businesses. Power BI is more than just a tool in your Excel toolkit. It's a powerful data visualization platform designed to help decision makers transform complex data into meaningful insights. In today's episode, we'll explore what Power BI is, who should use it, and the key benefits that make it an essential tool for modern businesses. So, what is Power BI? Well, in simple terms, Power BI is Microsoft's business intelligence solution that enables users to visualize their data through interactive dashboards and reports. While it integrates seamlessly with Microsoft Excel, Power BI offers more advanced analytics capabilities. Now we have Power BI for the desktop and Power BI service. So for the desktop users, it provides a robust environment for creating detailed reports and complex data models. On the other hand, Power BI for the web, also known as Power BI Service, is where you can share these insights and collaborate with others in real time. Also known as Power BI Service is where you can share those insights and collaborate with others in real time. Imagine having the capability to access key business metrics anytime, anywhere, and that's exactly what Power BI offers through its cloud-based service. So, who should use Power BI? Power BI is designed for decision makers, people like business leaders, managers, and analysts. These people need data to guide their choices. Think of it like the dashboard in your car that tells you your fuel levels and speed you're going at. Just as your car dashboard gives you quick information at a glance, Power BI provides an intuitive dashboard that displays critical metrics for your business. Whether you're asking, can I afford to hire more staff? Or how is my budget performing? Power BI gives you clear data-driven answers. Let's dive into some key benefits that make Power BI so valuable. Data visualization. One of Power BI's greatest strengths is its ability to turn complex data into easy-to-read visuals. Whether it's graphs, charts, heat maps, these visuals allow users to identify trends and make informed decisions really quickly. It also keeps the data centralized. Power BI consolidates data from multiple sources and brings it together into one place. This centralized view allows you to ask crucial questions like, what are my project's costs? How are my resources being allocated? Without having to jump in and out of 500 different spreadsheets and different systems to get these answers. Another great thing is that it handles large volumes of data. One of the platform's major abilities is this large amount of data that you can do so easily. Power BI handles large amounts of data. One of the platform's major advantages is its ability to manage large data sets effortlessly. From financial reports to customer insights, Power BI simplifies data collection and analysis, making it an ideal tool for decision making. Data integration and transformation. Let's talk about what that means. data integration is crucial for business that work with a variety of data sources. Whether you're using Excel, SQL databases, or cloud platforms like Azure and Salesforce, Power BI integrates all of these seamlessly. The ability to pull in and consolidate information from diverse sources makes it easy to get a comprehensive view of your business operations. On the other hand, data transformation allows you to prepare, refine your data for analysis. With Power BI built-in tool, Power Query, you can filter, clean, and transform data, making sure it's accurate and ready for meaningful insight. Plus, Power BI data modeling features allow you to create relationships between tables, define custom measures, and even perform advanced calculations. In short, these tools empower business to not just collect data, but transform it into a resource that drives success. In short, these tools empower businesses to not just collect data, but transform it into a resource that drives success. So, how do you harness the full potential of Power BI? The answer lies in the ability to take the complexity out of data. Whether you're looking at financial performance, operational efficiency, or customer behavior, Power BI provides the insights you need to make informed decisions quickly and accurately. Power BI isn't just for data analysts, it's for business leaders who need to see the bigger picture. Its intuitive dashboard, robust data modeling capabilities, and real-time collaboration features make it the ultimate tool for data-driven decisions. That wraps up today's episode for Data-Driven Decisions. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of what Power BI can do for your business. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a large enterprise, Power BI provides the tools you need to transform your data into powerful insights. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more episodes on leveraging data to driven success. I'm Analir Pisani from AZ Solutions, and this has been Data Driven Decisions. Until next time, thank you for joining me.